Hey everyone, Bill here with KB Tricks.
Hello.
Where are we at, hon? What are we doing?
We are in Elk River, Minnesota. We are checking out the Sherburne County Fair.
This is, how many have we done so far this year for county fairs?
4
or so. Anyway, we're trying to hit as many as we can. Just walking in and they had free parking, and as we come in, you're gonna see the midway pretty much right away. Got some flags welcome us. Right behind that is a Ferris wheel. So we're gonna go see what is around. Was there something you wanted to go check out right away, hon?
Well, there was the Lumberjack show, but I think we've kind of missed it.
Trying to find the Lumberjack show. Right now we're going past a free stage. They got shows listed outside. And looks like there's some food vendors that way, but we found a Lumberjack show. Yeah, the show just started a few minutes ago. Now they're going to do the cross saw.
When I drop my hand like that, it's 3, 2, 1, go. Let's have a practice. Everybody, be real loud. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey! What was that?
Practice.
Not you, them.
Sorry, them.
What was that?
We put it back.
I saw what you did. Saw what you did. Was it that bad? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go. Time in. Is it going to be Nita or is it going to be Jasper? Nita gives a kick and a pull. Oh! She slipped. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. Is it going to be Nita or going to be Jasper? Come on, cheer him on. Look at him go. Oh! Oh! Jasper went down hard. Oh, cheer him on. They're doing an outstanding job. Oh, and down she goes.
What do you think of the Lumberjack show?
It was cute. I always like watching those. Those are fun. Like seeing the log rolling. It's my fave.
Gotta make our way to the free stage. Along the way they got a baby care station, so that's nice to see. But there's the free stage. We're gonna go check out the belly dancing show in a few minutes. Ahead of us is where we came in. You can see the water tower back there. There's the midway that direction. And they also got vendors all over the place. Plenty of free seating in the shade under the tent behind this vendor. That was a fun show. We're going to go next door to the aerial show.
Or are you going to quit? Well, I'm proud to say I taped up my wrists and go, hup.
All right, so what do we think of the belly dancers?
The belly dancers, very talented, very entertaining. I have never actually seen belly dancers, I guess, dancing with like props. I really actually like the dancing that they were doing with like the fans, and then the swords were really cool too.
Yeah, that was interesting. Like, I don't know if we've ever actually seen a belly dancing show before. Have you?
I mean, I know I've seen them, but maybe it was even just like on TV or something. I don't know. I don't remember.
Yeah, and then we went next door and we saw the aerials. What do you think of the aerials?
She was very talented, super strong. I mean, just like imagine like how she was like, you know, pulling her own body weight and stuff like that with all that stuff. That was really cool.
Yeah. So we got a little. Our time might be short here. I'm feeling some sprinkles. They're talking about rain coming in the area, so we're gonna have to make good use of our time here at the fair. And it's kind of looked like that the entire time we've been here. The sky, but. Yeah, hopefully we can get to see enough here before the rain comes in. If it does in fact come in, there's like an 80% chance of rain in like the next hour or so. But gonna check out the midway, and there's a lot of stuff we haven't seen yet, really. They got all kinds of rides. They got teacups and Ferris wheel, little roller coaster for the kids, swings, got the games too. Are you having fun checking out the Midway? Just getting a head shake. Why am I only getting a head shake?
Because I'm still mad at you.
Why are you mad at me? How could you be mad at me? I took her to the fair. People are never mad at the fair. So you notice that a lot of these rides are the same ones that we had seen at the some of the
other fairs.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of what they do. They rotate and they go to all the different
travel
fairs.
to the different ones. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that's
Makes sense.
that's what they do. Makes
Yeah.
completely sense. So yeah, a lot of these rides are what we saw at the other fairs that we've already been to. The games, same thing as well. Got the machines and throw the darts and put the ball through the hoop. Standard games that you'd see at carnivals. We got a row of food stands available. A lot of things that we've seen before: corn dogs, cheese curds, stuff that you see at the fair, ATM. Back here they got the balls that the kids can get in and bounce off each other. This one's in the layout of a soccer field, looks like, with the nets at the end. I'm gonna check out some of these buildings. The one here is a commercial building. Went through the commercial building and, you know, they're selling their stuff, whatever. Behind us over there, that's the grandstand. I think the event was tonight. I think Carrie said that it was, did you say bull riding possibly?
Bull riding.
Then it looks like the fair offices. We're gonna go this direction towards some other buildings. Off to our rightish is the 4-H food stand. We're gonna possibly see if we can find something to eat. Outside of the 4-H food stand, they got bingo. Outside the fair offices, they have a big mural thing that you can help color in. They have markers provided. Up next, we're gonna go check out the 4-H exhibit building, which is next to the 4-H food stand. Of course, in here they got all these 4-H projects. This panda bear is looking cool. Got our attention from across the room. This entry here doesn't say what it is, if it's chalk or whatever, but it's the Grand Champion. Got some great looking projects around here. These are blue awards. Creative stuff. A couple things here made out of Legos. There's some bridges made out of like matchstick type things, rockets. If you've been following us for any point of time, one of my favorite competitions is the still photography. This photo here seems to be the Grand Champion for photography. Sunrise or sunset through the pages of a book shaped like a heart. That's cool. Next building over is the open class. I got some more competition stuff in here. Got some food. There's some jams, preserves, and eggs. Looks like the bakery stuff, like pies and cookies and breads. More photography. Again, one of my favorite competitions to look at. Ooh, that one's cool. Someone watching a bonfire. Silhouette. And got some flowers and other plants. Competition including vegetables. Here's a couple of the Grand Champions for their divisions or subject. Really neat projects in there. Then we're going to go across to the small animal barn. And they got poultry, rabbit, sheep, and lambs, alpacas. Got some goats. Looks like a lot of them are napping right now. Carrie wants to pet anything she can get her hands on. Check out all the bunnies. Oh, Carrie. You scared the bunny.
I scared the bunny. I didn't mean to scare the bunny.
Oh, did someone forgive you?
He just wants his head petted.
Did you forgive him?
Yes.
Or did they forgive you, I should say?
Yes.
Got a lot of bunnies in here. That's a fluffy one. Hi there. You're really fluffy. Also got chickens in here. Pretty looking ladies. On the other side of the building now, and got some sheep. Some look like they just got some fresh haircuts. Oh, they got homing pigeons here. I don't remember seeing that at any of the other fairs we've been to so far. Maybe I just haven't noticed. At the end seem to be the Reserve and Grand Champion llamas. I'm gonna go to the next building, the Beef and Dairy Barn. There's some ladies. Hello. Down at the end here looks like there's some winners. Looks like this is the intermediate champion. Found some are these mini horses, hon?
These are mini horses.
Quite a few more in here. And they're just getting some dinner. So, shouldn't the smaller horses be referred to as quarter horses?
That's a breed of horse.
Kind of making a lap. We just left horse barn number 2. We're going to go into horse barn number 1. But next to that, this is where looks like they do the judging for the horses. Horse barn 1 has a different feel to it. Oh, hello. Oh, now it's a quarter horse.
Do you want to eat his camera?
Hi there.
Yeah.
Hello.
You're beautiful. Yes, you are.
Carrie's just making friends everywhere she goes. After leaving the horse barn, there's a grandstand, and off to the left here, looks like that's where they're doing some livestock. Might be doing judging here, or this looks like it could be a place they do judging, I should say. So this area seems pretty nice for food. I mean, you got plenty of food trucks, ribs and gyros, corn dogs, hot dogs, hamburgers, that kind of stuff. And you got covered area with some seating, so it seems like a good area to go. Plus there's more seating around. Not sure yet if this is a beer tent area or what, but it's fenced off and they got a live band setting up. Okay, so this is the American Legion. And they got some food and alcohol in here. That's why it's fenced off, or at least alcohol. I guess we made a circle. We're already back by the Lumberjack show where we came in, and then off to the right is the grandstand. Right now, people are buying tickets for the show tonight. And then that building back there, that's the free stage where we saw the belly dancers. And then after the belly dancers, there's going to be a magic show, but we missed that. Those fireworks are showing off the beginning of the bull riding show for the evening. And we're going to make our way out of the Sherburne County Fair. What do you think, hon?
Oh, this was a lot of fun because in addition to the normal, you know, like the midway, the food, the animal barns, this one had a lot of shows, a lot of entertainment. So I mean, we saw the lumberjack show, the belly dancers, and the aerial show. They were all free. They were included in with our admission today, and they were all, I thought every show, everyone was very talented in those shows.
Yeah, had a good time here. Hey, please do us a favor, subscribe. About 90% of our viewers are not subscribers, so help the channel grow, help us reach our next goal of 2,000 subscribers. But what's the details about this, hon?
So details, it is $5 per person for admission. Parking is free. And yeah, it is this weekend here in Elk River.
Yeah, I definitely had a good time.
I had a great time. Oh, definitely. This was a lot of fun.
Yeah, again, it's nice to get out of the metro and go check these things out. We are trying to go to as many county fairs or regional fairs as we can over the summer. Been to a couple so far this year, went to quite a few new ones for us last year too, so we're going to keep trying to go as many as we can. There's going to be a limit because we're not going to go too far out of town, but reasonable, I guess you could say.
And eventually we'll be broke.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway. But anyway, what if you were joining us? I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
People watching KB Treks, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Until then, good luck and have fun.
See ya.